Hold on a sec.
It was cheaper.
You can do it now.
Boo! Welcome to Cyan Stream. Did I just reach out?
Reach out.
Welcome to CyanLaser Stream. Wait, am I almost like going crazy? I'm not sure. I think my.
I don't know how crazy they're going. But you're not in full body this time, so you're not relaxing.
I'll get on full body in a second. I'm like worried though. My arm is like weird. Wait, what do you think?
You're being petted.
You think? Oh, it's dangerous. I heard people got banned because of that.
Identified as dangerous, apparently.
You're dangerous.
How am I dangerous?
Cyan, where is Chim Cham? I don't think he knows the daylight savings.
How long has this been? Have we done... How long has it been since last time since that happened?
A couple of months at best.
Yeah, clearly. I don't know, it's Jimmy.
I'll be the first to remind him.
Yeah, apparently.
I would have been in VR, but whenever anything good is going to happen to me, something bad will always come and stop it. You know, daylight savings, I've got more time to do this, right? And guess what? Oculus decides to break only now, when I could actually use it well.
Oh no. Why is Oculus gonna be weird?
In a flat 2 weeks because I spent Saturday over my friend's house because it was his birthday.
Well, happy birthday to that guy.
I want to choke someone.
Oh, apparently my view is zoomed in.
I'm going to choke.
Is my view zoomed in?
So weird being so tall like this.
No, yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh yeah, it's definitely zoomed in.
So it's something's wrong with my avatar, so I'm gonna switch to menu.
Here. Like this.
Is this fixed now? Please, switch back to
Where's my mic?
are there avatars?
Why is
Yeah, this is a different avatar version.
Something was wrong.
The other one is still the same with the grab pass.
Let's do test.
This is
So this is like my
a carbon copy of the one for next week, but this
No, something is going
with my
crazy.
normal colors.
Like this is my viewpoint. My viewpoint.
There you go.
But I wanted to put
It's actually my right eye,
so
but yeah.
I didn't add a grab pass to people.
I'm gonna restart.
So hopefully it's much better now. It should. I don't know, like if there's easier ways to mess with that.
What am I going to do?
Oh wow, you're tall.
Yeah, finish this model.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is seriously tall. Holy crap. Like I'm looking so far up at you. Like, I don't even come
Yeah,
up.
restart the game.
Like I just come up to your thigh. That's
Bye for now.
Look, it's Cyan.
Look, a loading avatar. Why is that one taking so long to download? Oh, there it goes. Why? Why is this one poor?
Is it? What?
Why do you have 117 dynamic bones?
What? I didn't know that. I just took it because I wanted to have like a good-looking Batman. I didn't look.
Why does it even have dynamic bones? Well, I guess I have them turned off, so I can't tell. I guess did you have a cape? I didn't pay attention.
Wait. My viewpoint is like here.
For me, your character's eyes
when
are
I'm
there.
sitting.
That
What? It's so scary. I'm gonna restart. Maybe it's just like.
Oh, it might be a like sitting play thing. Toggle sitting, standing. If you don't have like full body right now.
No, I'm standing.
Hello, Cake House. I am.
Hello, Legends.
Legends! Legends! Oh, no, it's fixed. Legends!
Yeah.
It's Legends!
Hi.
It's Cake.
Oh no, yeah.
You know my name. I'm popular. I announced Science Stream today. I'm literally a secret pony. Not even Cyan knows it yet.
Not even the stream knows it, even though you just told them.
Yes, hello, Science Stream. It's me, Cake.
Secret pony.
Yes, so secret.
The secret pony. Not even Fiona knows it.
I'm curious of how many people on the stream even understand what a pony is.
It's like a
an animal.
dinosaur, but it's smaller and it's like not so dangerous.
Dinosaur.
That's it. Okay.
And it's like, you know, kind of battles with the bad guys.
Battles with the bad guys.
Yeah.
Do you do that, Legends?
Legends
Sounds like
battle
a
with the
science
bad
thing.
guys.
What?
And there's Fiona.
I guess we're sinking in the ground here.
Look,
So we're dinosaurs and we battle
No
bad
Negan.
guys. Just catching up on the topic.
No knee gang. Oh no.
What is my
I don't know what it
avatar
is about
do?
you, Cyan, but you're always doing these weird
Okay.
movements
I
recently.
need to get my
Like
full
last
bike
week you were
tracking
just
on, but I feel like
floating
it's gonna
around.
kill my...
I was just floating around.
Remember you couldn't move and you were just flying at me, giving me a nightmare?
Legends,
No.
Was that last week or the week before?
So last week was really broken, like on the open beta. Like for she was stuck everywhere, but maybe I just didn't see
Maybe it
it.
was the week before. No, you were doing it on purpose. You chased me around. Maybe this was a nightmare. Wait.
Oh, that was last week. Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, I was.
Map, you were chasing me around.
Let's see.
Yeah, like that. Oh, don't do that.
Why not? You got a problem with this? What's the problem, Blue?
God, the fucking sliding animation.
controls are including
No problem.
What is even? Oh,
A bagel bash?
yeah.
Okay, let's see how far I go.
Okay.
What was that?
Everyone is there. I didn't really realize how good.
Wait,
how
you were
used
debating-
Whose idea
you-
was
you
it
were
to
in
make
the
this
back or you were
not
not?
run on the beta today?
Everybody's?
I
Like people vote
couldn't
for this.
I couldn't go to the World Hop and
So-
I did not know that.
Um,
Not know that.
If you go to the events Discord, which is VRChatEvents.com, which will provide the link, you can actually get all the pings of when these events start, as well as vote for deciding beta or live.
Oh, is it like its own Discord server?
So there's the VRChat Events Discord server, which has a bunch of events. This specific event is in there
party hat and then maybe
as the community
I
meetup.
did not know that. That would have been good to know because I wanted to show off my map today, but my map only runs in 2018 Unity. So
I remember you mentioning that in prefabs.
yeah, I made it in Unity 2018, so I ported over.
Kosan is a VRChat noob, so he isn't around everywhere.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm a babby.
Not enough sleep or food.
Well, no, it's that we don't announce it here enough. The fact, you know, you have to be in the Discord, or there is a Discord.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh wait,
He
how are we
basically
starting
just
this
asked me
today?
when it is. I probably should have told you it was not in beta.
Does anybody
He's
see?
here, but I actually haven't said
Yeah.
Hello.
hi.
Whatever.
How you
I'll just do
doing?
it next week.
Noticing the event is late. Where's Fax?
Fax over there. I changed the.
So the real question is,
Stevie.
am I the one hosting today, or am Hex the one hosting today? I guess I should just do it since he's not.
Oh wait.
Squid's not here today.
Squid is not coming on. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Somebody needs to become a squid just right now.
Become the squid. Where's the avatar?
Okay, let's make Igbar do it. Oh, there's Fax. Fax is right there.
Oh no, he's here, but he's not paying attention because it's time to like start. So I guess I gotta.
Squid, it's me. It's Squid.
Should we try to do this?
Okay, Blue, I dare you. I dare you. Cyan, let him into the middle. Let him into the middle, just let him do it. Blue, are you on a different mic than usual? You're very hummy and clipped.
What are you trying to do, huh?
And then I was ripped out of the immersion because of all the food smell.
Are you?
Hi guys.
Oh, Never mind.
I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing. Fiona told me to come in here and say some funny thing. I don't know what to say.
Squid, what are you talking about? Announce the event.
Oh, okay. Make sure you use an optimized avatar, please. That's like the #1 thing. He doesn't say that enough. Use an optimized avatar now. Today we're gonna... What are the other rules? What's the other rules?
Oh, I don't know if I can actually show you the info.
Yeah. I don't see it. It's not here. Okay.
It's local.
Make sure you use an optimized avatar. If you're showing off a world, make sure it's 40 players plus. That's another piece of information that I remember, but I just don't know which order it goes in. Someone help, please.
You know what? Fine. Where's it at? You're kicked out. No.
300 megabyte restriction.
Okay, everybody. Hello and welcome to the community meetup.
Get off the stage!
You! No, respawn. I'm Squid today. Alright, guys. Welcome to the community meetup. This is the meetup we run for the community by the community every Sunday. I actually have no idea what time it is for you this time because, hey, daylight savings time, we broke it. So, yeah. Apparently, some people don't know about this, but this is actually, like, there is a Discord for this event specifically. If you go to VRChatEvents.com, it'll show the calendar for your time. But, you know, you guys are the ones who made it, so you don't need to know that specifically. But you can join the Discord from there and actually get the pings to know if we're from live or beta, which, you know, we are actually in live today. And I'm just, where's the other text here? What's other things that I have to go over? So yeah, what this event is people who make worlds typically show what their working on progresses are. So yeah, get to see new worlds and things. And so as Blue or previous Squid was saying, please use an optimized avatar, but just also be, you know, remember we do have the safety settings and performance options. No, you. So all the since this is a world-based event, people, if you want to show a world, we have some rules on those. If you're going to show it, please make sure that you set the player cap to 40. It is the maximum allowed, since this event typically reaches more than 40, which I assume, just looking around, we have that now. So we will be dropping portals. It'll close at 40. It'll like disappear. Make sure you have a buddy, somebody to friend, so that when the portal does close, you can just join off of them. If you don't have anyone in here, you can send a friend request off me. Another thing is we have shader messages. Let's see. You don't actually have to do this now, but we have shader messages when it's time to, say, respawn to go to the next world. So make sure that you show or point at myself and Fax and say show avatar so that you can see these messages anywhere in the world.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, I'll have to get to this later. 1 month. If you are planning to show a world, please make sure that it actually follows VRChat terms of services. If you have copyrighted music, please let us know beforehand. You are allowed. It's just, you know, some people are streaming, like myself, which YouTube has had issues in the past. When it's your turn to drop a portal, please make sure it is Friends Plus or Invite Plus, either of the plus options. So this is not a or if you have a larger world, please let us know so that we can put you towards the end. You are allowed to show it, but since it is a large world, some people have very slow download rates and they might be stuck in loading while the entire time we are in that world. So be courteous to those people and just let us know. We are in live, so we don't have to care about Udon. Make sure if you plan to show a world, you've actually visited the world and dusted it first. Some people have gone in and not, you know, it's been broken. So the event itself will run for about 3 hours. If you have a world that you want to show later on, you can come up to myself or Fax and get added to the list. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's everything. If anybody has a world to show, would you like to come up to the front here, please? Fax, are you writing or should I?
Yes, I can write.
Okay. Oh, we got a lot of people today.
I guess Cake and Eddie is on the same one.
We're in the same world. He wants to show up.
Oh, I should definitely get my thing here.
Possible, I would like to Mamachi, one of the first.
I would say Kohi. Yes.
Could you please put us at the end though, like for later?
Okay.
I might need to AFK in a sec.
I should actually go through and accept all these. Oh, yes. So wait, does everyone like? Does anyone have any time constraints? I should ask that too, because I remember you've had those before.
Well, yeah, it's more like a preference, but we started like a little earlier, so it's fine. But either way, it's just a preference.
Okay.
I prefer to go later, but like at the end, optional. Just too many people. It's not.
So I don't know if people have realized this, but Squid normally when writes down a list goes from his left to right. So if you typically want to be at the end, go to the right side of Squid.
I know.
But I'm not the one doing it. Pax is the one writing it.
So you're not Squid, so.
I am not Squid.
Gaddy, Kohi, Andaman, Kaban,
You should recalibrate.
Mitansky. But Emma wants to go later, so I'm looking down.
Can I ask something?
Do you have something to show?
Does someone have... no, I don't have something to show, but my avatar stats are very poor just because I didn't find an avatar in Avatar World yet who is optimized.
You can go to the public avatar list and use one of those. Those are cool.
Bro, look at this fucking dude plugging his own content.
Okay, look. Give me a just. Listen, fuck off.
Kohi, Pandaman, Kaban, Koala, Numa, and Midhansen.
I believe that's everyone. Did Cake want to like go or towards the end though instead of right away?
But maybe or something like it just need to AFK.
Okay, so we can just skip you for now, and then would that mean Kohi's first?
Yeah.
Okay. I believe everyone was captured. Wait, did Ivan have a world, or was he just up there? Okay, so if that's the case, you guys can sit down. Kohi, I'll open the center for you. So if you have anything you want to say, go ahead and let us know.
Yes, I wanted to say...
Probably face this way.
I just wanted to say, please wait a minute before going downstairs. That's thing. I just wanted to, because they are dogs and they don't have any they do not synchronize with people who join later, and that's it.
Oh wait, please drop the portal outside here. Oh, thank you.
It's fine because I was using default notes anyway. I'm in desktop right now.
Cyan, your hip is broken. Was I muted before when I told you that?
No, I just didn't see it from my point of view, but it did drift a little bit.
Yeah, you're standing around like this.
Wait, when I calibrate, did that? When I calibrate, did it show?
Like instantly.
Yeah.
Who's in there?
Fiona, Cyan,
Hi.
can I grab you guys for a second?
Okay. We're at 64 people, by the way.
God damn.
I'm also streaming, so just know that.
Oh yeah, we both are.
No, don't worry. It's nothing. I'm not gonna play with these or anything like that. Don't worry. Fiona actually already has a heads up about this. After the meetup.
Oh, we didn't say
wanted
that.
to bring...
Sorry, go ahead. There's another thing.
Okay. I already gave Fiona a heads up about this, that I wanted to introduce you guys to my modeler, who has a really, really high experience with Blender. And after the meetup, I wanted, he's supposed to come in now, but he's having dinner at this moment. But after the meetup, I wanted to bring him over, and I wanted to introduce him to you guys. And I was hoping to bring him into the family of prefabs, if that's once you've seen him and talked with him and everything. And if it's okay, I'd really love him to join us, because honestly, he's he has so much knowledge, but he's always solo, and I want him to like join us and see what we do, how we like use like Blender and Unity, and how we like make the best out of those applications to make like content for VRChat. And I thought it's perfect for him to see how things go around and how we all like communicate and drop ideas for each other and whatnot.
Great. Okay. All right. We need to join though because we have a late joiner issue with the next world. So let's try to.
Wait, there's a late
get
joiner
in there.
issue with that? Yep.
Isn't that what they literally said? Is like, please wait, don't go downstairs because of late joiners. So.
Oh, is that okay? We got a few there.
Okay, we got about.
I need. I could do with me.
Who's in there?
Wait, what was the world? I'm just gonna join facts. Oh, this is a small world here. We still have a few people left.
On the internet that got the mail, which I question why would you scalpers would buy it.
Needs to be bigger.
Oh, sorry.
Hey.
Occlusion culling.
Occlusion. Okay.
Yeah, needs to be bigger because when I stand inside the boat and I look around in VR,
really sorry.
it disappears. Like the whole boat just disappears at certain
That's
angles.
strange.
Is there a lot of objects to occlude?
I don't actually see the issue.
Well, it's not really anything, so it just needs to be
What are you
bigger.
doing, or let me watch? Or else this is rude.
Technically, it doesn't need to do much with.
You're the one lying on the bed.
What is even going on down there?
So that they have wider openings to go with, and then the smaller zones. But I would recommend playing with it and move the camera around in here, because yeah, there is some zones in there where you look around and then just everything disappears.
Excuse me, someone is stuck in the bathroom. Can someone help?
What?
Okay, so oh no! I just saw a beach ball fall off the edge of the world. Okay.
By the way, we forgot to announce that. Wait, Rubik, did you want to talk about the whole like open beta test, or is like that not official yet?
At the end, otherwise people might forget, or you know.
Well, no, we should at least mention it so that people remember. It's like it's before the next world.
And more towards the end. More towards the end, when we gather up people, we can just bring it up and then Rubik can say it.
Yeah. So just assume Rubik's at the end of the list.
I'm on it.
Because right now we don't know if the beta is being pushed during the
event. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, just us.
Okay.
Because we're just waiting for like text, like you know, writing the patch note instead of making the building ready.
Okay.
Oh, they chose the chat for here too. That's cool. That's not how the door
works.
Like it's on both sides.
Oh, we can just go in the water. I guess we can just go in the water.
So it's like 30 or 40 meters away.
There's a portal. How else?
I gotta check this out.
All right. The door just closed on me.
There are people stuck in bathrooms, and that's kind of a problem.
Stuck in the bathroom?
No, there's something you don't hear every day.
That is a giant bathroom for a boat. Wow.
Why did you? No, it's not.
Bro, I thought I closed the door. Okay, bro.
Hey, shut that door, goddammit.
Peace.
Maybe you only had some boats, Fiona.
I'm trying to eat.
Trying to eat?
Ew. It's true. I've only been on small boats. I don't think I've ever been on one this big.
He's taking a shit.
Okay, no, okay. I have not ever been on a boat that wasn't like a ferry or a ship or something. But like as far as like personal boats, I've never been on one this big.
You gotta go to the docks in California and find somebody who has a houseboat.
Wait, that's different though.
This boat is expensive.
That's true. This boat would be insane, but houseboats? Oh man. Oh man.
Oh no, I've known people with houseboats. They were like a quarter the size, and it's basically like it's camping. It is a small RV that moves and stinks. That's what a houseboat is.
And you can take it cross countries pretty easily.
Yeah, but no one ever does, because like the slip costs in California cost as much as rent. Plus you have no maintenance.
I love glass that
and no
works
space.
properly.
You're creepy, Blow. You're very creepy.
It's for opening. Lower one is for
admiring Lum's
My
model.
uncle-in-law used to travel.
I really like that there is
It is very loud.
exposure.
Pretty bathroom.
So there's 2 bedrooms.
You can see it through the window.
Wait,
like, when you
is this
come to the
another
window, the
bathroom?
room gets brighter.
This is 2 bathrooms?
Compared to when you're outside.
It has the keyboard. Oh, that's so cool.
Alright, I'm done using the restroom.
Kohi, you might want to have a way to destroy the beach balls over time. Otherwise, well, they'll never, get away, and that creates a ton of lag just by itself.
Is it just a spawner out there?
Yeah, you click the tiny beach ball and it creates a new beach ball every time. Also, they collide with people, which,
Some people find that fun.
Which is funnier if they collide.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean,
it's intended. It's intended.
I mean, it's one of those things that we're not meant to have, 70 people in this world.
Also, very true. It's just that if you have public instances, and someone could easily ruin the instance by just spawning balls over time, and the instance becomes unbearable.
This word, I will change this word just for 4 people, so it shouldn't be such a big problem. Soft will be just for 4.
You have a great confidence in VRChat people. I admire you, but...
Don't worry about it, Corey.
Hey, what's going on in here?
Hello, Dio. It's been a while.
That's where the party's at.
What?
in here? It's hard bringing the balls in here.
Yes, it is.
Ow, I need to talk.
It's a bit loud for me.
It is very loud.
Yes.
Do a trick. Don't look at me, I'm in the shower.
To climb up the
Now we're doing was to see how GPU instancing for things like spawned objects like this will work.
There's no edge to the world, can we not?
I'm like,
Maybe we can throw the balls off the edge of the world.
GPU instancing turned
Oh, the
on
Earth is flat.
in 2018.
is that how this works?
So the performance of every spawned object in it that has GPU instancing turned on the material will probably work, and performance will just go, which is so nice.
So, I mean, I usually, when I have something like that where there's a lot of them, for Quest, I always just did dynamic batching and made sure that they were low poly.
Yeah, dynamic batching is the thing, but most people don't realize that you can't also have a baked light map with baked reflection and baked real-time UI, and that at the same time. It just doesn't work.
No, you have all of your things that you're batching to the same anchor override, so that way they are all batched.
Yeah, but it works even if you don't in 2018, which is
That's nice. That's nice. Yeah.
So people who don't know to do any of that, right?
Well, I mean, the thing is, if you look in your profiler, you can figure it out, but that's another...
Yeah, but no, that's a whole other layer of things that people don't know how to do yet.
Yeah.
This avatar is actually pretty good with the index controllers.
Why does it have the rain shader on it? That's so good!
The rain
Okay, I
shader.
want to go look at the rest of the world, but I'm afraid people are going to keep spawning balls, so we're just going to have to tough.
Hang on, I'm gonna
I only have one and it's old.
Don't touch my balls.
I don't have a swing.
No, naturally, I would have
I could probably do that. For both of you, just give me your base mesh.
I need like proper swim trunks, not just like this like black spandex, you know?
That is the only way I have any motivation at all. So
Okay, I think now most of the people are upstairs. I can now stand to go downstairs again.
I mean, I can make it look worse.
I will never be somebody to go on boats.
No, that look is way too intimidating. I can't do that.
Like, there's a certain level of coziness, but then, I don't know, there's something about on a boat where, like, like it's cozy like a camper or a tent or something, but it's also in the middle of death.
I mean, it's also one of those. How often do you have a tiny boat with what, 64 people maybe?
Well, that's true, but no, like when we were on the boat, when we went sailing, we had like 6 people on it, and just going downstairs with like 3 people plus the motion, I couldn't stand to be downstairs at all.
I mean, that's the thing, like the motion. It's like, you know, you're just on.
Oh yeah, no,
you're in the middle of the ocean, so it's like.
I had drugs though. I actually wonder if those drugs are something that you can take on a regular basis and it be okay, and if you could use them for VR.
I just walked past the window and Fiona's like, I have drugs though. I'm like, what?
Oh yeah.
Quit being a creeper.
I do. Yeah, my work manager gave me illegal drugs. He did.
I'm pretty sure.
All right, this conversation.
Okay, we're here to seize the drugs.
Oh, come on. It's the motion sickness neck patch. They're prescription only, so yeah, illegally gave them to us when we went sailing.
Okay, looks like people are just hanging out now, so it's probably time to move on.
It's a nice little boat. I like it.
Yeah. Do you see Cake and Addie? Well, I see Addie. I don't see Cake.
Yeah.
To me, it just looks messy. We're gonna go and it's going to like, you know, to make this more realistic, the boat should just randomly move and like make you all sick every once in a while.
Yeah.
I agree. It's slow.
Did you see Cake anywhere?
We shouldn't be able to stand in the water.
It could be shallow. You don't know. I mean, if we're talking about realism, you know, we could just see the edge of the world.
I do not see Cake.
Yeah.
Oh wait, let's look in social.
Oh, that would actually, you know, work.
Addie's here.
Yes, Addie is right there.
Cake is not. Cake is not in here.
So it's possible that we can keep pushing that one back.
On the water.
Who was after that? That was Pennyman. FX, are you okay if we move on to Pennyman?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cake just joined.
Oh wait, Cake just joined.
Yeah. Oh, that's Fax is here.
Are you two free to show you worlds?
No, there was hair in my face, probably because
Oh, you're just calibrating.
Let's go. There's a robot.
There's socks.
Are you ready though? Okay. Should I just force everyone to respawn here?
Yeah, they respawn.
Might help.
Some of them are like out of the edge of the world, so.
Let's see. Let's watch. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm still floating. So I can't tell. Is Cake like back yet?
Cake is. Wait, no, Cake isn't even.
Wait.
What the hell?
Wait, Cake. I don't know if you've been talking at all, but it's like, are you ready?
Oh, this is the one with the backpack. It's this one here. Cake.
Oh no. Okay, so with that, let's move on to Panaman.
Cake desynced.
Oh, okay.
Oh, really?
So then, wait.
Abby. Yeah. Next.
Wait, are we? Actually, hold on.
You on a call with? If they're desync, tell her we just jump into Pan and then we do it to you guys. Hopefully that will sync you guys up. Just might be desynced even if they rejoin, so.
Okay.
Pan and then Cake.
Okay. Pan.
You have it, sir.
Oh, do you want to say anything before showing off your world? Should I get everyone to quiet or
Yeah,
just
for sure.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Be quiet.
Hopefully everyone quiet please. Pan is going to say something before we go to his world. Everyone quiet please.
Yes.
Could you stand up a little please?
Hello, everybody. Yes. So I'm just chilling. So there is this one world that I've been working on a long time ago. Then I stopped working on it because I kept waiting for Udon, and instead I decided to sort of go back and forth. It's pretty.
Oh no.
He's dead.
I got him.
It's Oral's curse.
The Oral's curse?
Ladies and gentlemen, Pan Demon.
Oh no, Pandemon anger to Udon.
What?
I'm gonna put Coral back to our world.
Okay. Wait, do you want to tell everyone to go back to the link or just go back there? We probably need
I'm
to.
just dropping it so we can go there.
Okay.
Okay. So we lost Cake.
We're probably losing a lot of people. Yeah.
Everybody thinking because of the objects.
Okay.
We lost.
I crash. What?
Of course.
Okay, nice. Nice. Oh, I just got pinged. Why did I get pinged? Oh, open beta. So yes, they did actually do it. I'm going to launch this. Where is it at? What are people saying in the Discord? Oh, everybody crashed. Oh. How did I calibrate like this? Amazing.
Oh, God. You okay?
Nope.
You look like Gumby, but you had an accident.
Give me a minute.
So yeah, anybody else crash?
Everybody crashed, I
Yeah.
believe. They're talking about it on the Discord. I think everybody did.
Okay.
There we go.
That was fun.
I think everyone did.
All right.
Wait, what?
Was it the beach balls?
Most likely
that?
the beach balls.
Yeah.
Interesting. I apparently have one hand is a Vive controller, the other hand is an index, but both are actually index controllers.
Oh no, this happens. So one hand will often be a foot tracker. Like it'll look like a tracker.
Okay.
Just something that happens.
So, whatever happened here?
We crashed.
People kept spinning the bottle, and people kept spawning beach balls. So at one point, it's just terrible.
Physics
People
desync.
kept touching the.
You should have seen the log when spin the bottle was active. It's just.
Oh really?
Wait, there's a spin the bottle? I didn't even see that.
Yeah, it's on the table.
20 triggers per second.
You know what? Since that is like my most popular prefab, I should check it to make sure that it's not like
Is this
oversynced,
over?
because I made that
Okay.
literally 2 years ago.
No, hold on.
I don't know if it's
Everyone
oversynced or not, but I made it
crashed,
2
but
years ago. It
after
should
everyone
be. It should be
crashed,
master only.
Panda Man got back up again.
Like, it's as if he put himself to sleep and then woke up as soon as everyone just keeled over and died.
I said portal, and then I saw a very nice message from VRChat saying, "Screw you, I crashed."
I
Yeah.
scared Vive.
I got an achievement for that.
It was a blim moment. It was hard.
Like, I don't know what was going on. I just turned around to see everyone.
Oh, did I just crash again? This is live. Why is live crashing?
I don't know what was going on.
I don't know why I'm typing that rather than just saying it. Oop, wrong one. Let's just see what happens if I click the button again. But yeah, Sentinel, it doesn't help if I am not actually using trackers. Oh, let's. So, clearly index, not trackers. You know, nice controller on my foot. Yeah, this instance is dead. I probably still could assign them, but it's just like, I haven't looked into it at all. Yep. Hopefully we get someone creating a new link here. We had a ton of people on there. Wait, are people? No, that's just me. This is not the official one. This is just I got kicked out of a crashed instance.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What's going on there?
What
happened?
We don't know. Somebody probably
What?
came in and crashed. I'm just waiting to see what the response is on Discord. I believe
You're in. This is Invite Plus.
This is not the true instance. I should turn off blue
It's
for
an
a second.
invite instance.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Like I said, I joined the link again, and that is what you know. The crashed instance sent me here.
Yeah, I was there for like a few minutes and crashed, and then up. I'm so concerned.
Kaban is sending me an invite to another instance.
So we do need to
I'm
go to
gonna
a
go
better
there.
one, but oh, okay. See what happens.
I'm going to go to the one that Kaban is in.
Bye.
See ya. Don't we love VRChat and crashing? It's our favorite thing.
Just waiting. I guess I'll see what if Fax is online. He's not even
I'll
online.
have to crash again. Hopefully not.
Everybody just wants to join off me.
You're fucking the beacon in the dark. Going.
Okay, I'll do this, but it's like we're just gonna have to come back. Oh, and then all my messages disappear. Awesome.
Nope.
So
No, it's
I don't
appearing
think
back
Fax is
again.
even online, or yeah, back online yet.
So is this a better instance?
I don't know what
This
instance
is
it
an invite plus instance. It's like most people won't be able to get in here.
Apparently there's a crasher crashing this.
Is that what it is, or is it something?
That's
Is it a
what they
crasher?
were saying in the community meetup.
There's a lot of people that are in this place.
Unless
that I
Rubik
think is a
says
different
it,
instance.
it's don't listen.
Yeah.
Like Rubik can actually tell what's going on.
Yeah, good
Everyone
idea.
else, like they don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Hey, we're all here again. Legends!
We're waiting, just seeing what Fax is
I
saying.
wanted to show you what I learned, what you taught me. To show to you finally.
Are you showing it off?
Yes, I showed it off before, but you weren't
Great.
here. Now that you're here, it's doing better.
Sweet.
Ooh, Kingdom Hearts.
Yeah.
We love Kingdom Hearts.
Yes, it is awesome. Oh, here's Energy.
That's me. Hello.
Yeah,
We
so
are
I think we're
friends.
already friends. Yeah.
We are. Oh my god.
Because I noticed the avatar before the name.
Still waiting on a.
It's
Any
like
idea
previous one,
who was the crasher?
We do not know if there actually was a crasher. People are probably just saying that, but
I mean, it seems most likely that that was the case.
So is Squid not here today?
yeah, Squid's not here today.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, all right. So who's taking down the list?
Oh wait, we already have a list.
Yeah, but I want to
Cyan-
be put on it if I can.
Cyan and Fax.
Yeah.
Was Pandan, you were the first person to crash, weren't you, in that world?
No, there's a ton of people crashing. I
Um,
think. Like the world was desynced to
He
everybody.
crashed, and then we all crashed afterwards.
I'm not exactly sure what happened, but yeah, it seemed to me as if I was the first one to crash. But then
Yeah, you were. And we all just died. I dropped dead like a minute.
I was pretty much waiting for the game to load after the freeze, and then I sort of woke up and there was some random peep. He said that everyone else died, and I got sort of back, even though he thought I crashed. And yeah.
So
I didn't crash then, but then I went to this world and I crashed here.
Supposedly we can join back on the link. Let's see.
On the link?
I'm not going to the link. Who's there?
Okay, I'm just gonna click it. So.
Oh.
Alright, I'll join on you in a second.
Good. It looks like it's the same thing, but okay.
No.
Bye.
If it's the same instance, this seems like a bad idea. Alright.
Let's see if it works this time. What? Those are not the things that I need. Oh, okay, there's a lot of people here.
That's weird.
Why are you all blue now, though?
Master Shader, Master Shader, Master Shader.
I like how like everybody like we crashed right as VRChat made an announcement about the Udon update.
Was
And
that
I'm
actually what happened?
I
Yeah.
kind of want to just go and do Udon because we got bone transforms, which is
finally.
amazing.
They finally brought that back.
Did they give us the
I
transform
suppose. I haven't been around
objects
for that, so
or like position rotation?
get bone transform, position and
I can't
rotation,
hear you,
and
what?
rotation of the player base as well.
No, that doesn't help. If they don't give you scale.
No, it doesn't. So it will
Wait,
unground you automatically for the frame.
I haven't seen the
You set
announcement
the
yet.
velocity on the player.
Where am I?
So you don't need to. You don't need to do anything now.
My other friend.
That was me. I was saying your snake avatar looks nice.
There we go.
Okay, where'd Fax go?
Yo. Everyone can get her up again.
It was you, wasn't it? It's because of the bagel comment.
Are you okay?
That's exactly what it was.
Is there a big bank? It's on.
Is there a big bag?
So yeah, sorry for that. Little hiccup. We'll continue where we were supposed to be. Let's see. So we were actually gonna do Adi and Cake. First, Cake was desynced, so if Cake wanna do it now, while we're all synced up.
Do we want to say the thing?
You wanna say anything about it, or?
Yes. So like, there's copyrighted music, but it's very.
Give me a sec.
And you can just go to the phonograph. It's like next to the spawn to the table because there's a lot of.
There. Now we can go in the center.
I can't.
You can go in the center.
So yes, there's like copyrighted music, but it's very silent. But there's a phonograph. You should disable the music using that. Otherwise, you cannot hear the amazing ambient that's around. And I will guide you through the map, I guess. And Eddie will do like a few tricks. So let her join her first, so she can master. Yeah, give her a sec or something. But I think she'd be loaded anyway. So yeah. I will talk you through the world.
Remember to drop it outside of the center.
Okay, she didn't preload it, so give her like 10 seconds maybe.
Adi, don't drop it in there.
Yeah, drop it outside the circle.
Because there is some issues with the voice zones.
I'm just gonna go ahead and put the weight shader up.
Yeah.
Annie can go ahead, but it's just like since we need to wait.
And in the meantime, Cyan will do a joke.
You think I'll do a joke?
I think Rubik is dealing with the whole thing. So.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Face.
Oh, I put you on the
Face.
comment.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Like, don't.
Wait, everybody wait.
Music. Don't mute the music, just go to the phonograph next to the spawn and disable that, because otherwise you're gonna miss out on the amazing sounds.
Okay. Do you think it's been enough time?
I mean,
Good enough.
Cake's on voice with
I guess.
Kate can reset the timer if she goes first. Okay, everyone can go through, I guess.
Yeah.
Time for the end of the world.
Hey, look, another boat. Except this time it's not luxurious.
It is a boat. All right, fine, guys. This is not on open beta. Yeah, it is live. Interesting. This happened again. Okay, doesn't matter. It's a tornado. Oh, I think we visited this once before. I gotta find the phonograph. Oh, there's so many people here. Where's the
Oh, here's the phonograph.
Guess what I'm doing tomorrow?
Oh, is this the...
I'm gonna just let it play. I don't know that Twitch gives a crap.
I wonder how long I'll be able to do it.
The only thing they will do is mute the bot. About copyrighted music.
The entire thing?
Using
all the... Just know, partially the section with copyrighted music, that's what Twitch mutes.
Mm.
So, the lightning scared me.
We should probably get
This is like... This world has like 3 different time shifts it can do.
Oh, wow.
I like these clouds a lot, actually.
Oh, it animated
I
it.
feel like I'm on The Price is Right or something.
Yeah, it's like dawn, and then there's another
This
one.
feels laggy. Oh, yeah. This feels less laggy.
I like this.
No, that's tricky.
This
is nice, right? Yeah.
And this is day. And, you can
saw
also,
tornado.
there's,
Can we
like, a
activate
ship
it?
down under the cliff, but you can take a look at this ship like using this screen here by clicking it. It's like a little camera to see who's on the ship if you want to look. Make
Where
sure
does it
that you
show
don't.
up?
That you
Oh,
don't.
It's like a little screen.
Oh, I
don't
love
press
that
the
it's
slope
so
here.
missed.
If you want to miss out the most epic thing, just don't disable this. Just keep the tornado enabled. And yeah,
Or
rain.
don't click it
If
then.
you like rain, keep it enabled too.
For saying, welcome to Stormy Cliffs. Continue down the cliffs to get to the boat. I've left an umbrella for you in case it rains. Enjoy the view and watch out for any tornadoes.
But I don't think we have enough umbrellas.
How some get hit by
Tornadoes? I just came in. What the hell?
Where's the tornado?
Yeah, let's look
scared.
at
Wow.
Look at you looking for disaster.
Let's all go to
With a hidden name, you can only see the
if you want.
Alright. Whoa! Oh, sorry. Oh, come back.
Okay.
Where's it going?
It's moving?
My comments just ran away from me.
Bye, comments, because you're not getting any more.
So I need to change my bindings because my jump button interacts with my comment window all the time, and I lose it constantly.
So yeah, as you can hear, there's like a sound muffling when you go
Immersive water
underwater.
prefab, yeah! So good.
Those things I expect.
This is a very good world.
You can also
Tornado
enable
enabled.
toggle the screen to see the spawn kind of, so you can like look around, not on the ship, and you can enable the mirror on the mirror button here.
I like this. This is nice.
Maybe don't enable the mirror button.
I don't want to click it.
There's
What do you
another
mean?
mirror on top. If you
What do you
enable
mean
it,
don't enable the mirror?
What?
I mean,
You actually did it? Do you have everybody blocked?
can do it.
Of course I did it. I clicked it. I need to see.
Some people are very strong.
I mean, it's just like 25 FPS. I mean, nothing new.
Only 25.
5 FPS are
Yeah.
still enough to enjoy the game. You can
I mean, it's
see
not
everyone
5,
5 times per second.
And then we're Titanic.
So, and there's a very amazing part.
Oh my gosh, you can go right inside the ship.
Okay. All right. What is this? Is this boat week? What the heck?
We're on the boat. What do you mean?
Okay. Is there something we're doing on the boat specifically? Because I need to not be here for long.
So yes,
Understandable.
Yeah, just
lateral movements. One very interesting thing, and Eddie's gonna show it to you now. Eddie.
Oh, my immersion's been broken, flying people.
And yes,
is Addy gonna fire this off?
Show you like.
Eddie's gonna like make this boat go up in flames.
What?
Cyan.
What?
What?
Don't do that, Addy.
No, wait.
Carbon made
What's...
it. I heard carbon.
There's the tornado.
What's happening?
My menu is all bugged out. I couldn't join on.
I see it. It's hard to see, but it's over there.
Okay, standing on the edge definitely makes me more dizzy.
Oh, that is a tornado, yeah.
I need to get up. Oh, yeah, it is.
Now enjoy the experience. Maybe take some photos. Because you never know who will survive it.
My tornado is enabled, I just don't see it.
Wait,
It's
like I don't see it anymore.
Yeah, I don't see it anymore
in
as
the
well.
lighthouse. There it is. There it is. It's by
Yeah,
the
yeah,
lighthouse.
yeah. It's like a very faint effect. It's gray. Yeah. Can you see it? To the right.
That's cool.
I can fit.
Just wait.
Is there any chance?
Cake.
Hey, Carbon, I'm glad you made it in.
It's like
I had to restart my VRChat. Something was bugged up with the menu. It's like I joined on you, but I heard back to
It do be like that sometimes.
Okay.
And make sure that you have the tornado enabled. If you can't see the tornado over there, it's either hard to see because it's like gray, or you need to enable it. Make sure that
Are people
tornado is
climbing the
clearly
lighthouse?
shown in this.
I have it enabled and I don't see it at all.
It's over here though.
Yeah, same here.
I need, yeah, the higher I go, the better. I don't like, I can't really stand on the boat.
Do I need to enable the one that spawned too?
Should be the same.
No.
Oh, my frames.
I can't really stand on the boat. Specifically, well, if you had an issue with that, try restarting your client if you're trying to get on.
Oh, no.
I think Rurik was here
all
before
the time, and I lose it.
I don't know. Like, is anybody seeing me?
It's either right.
Okay, what now?
I think we are desynced now.
Are you standing here right now?
I haven't
I
moved.
can see you. You're standing right here.
I haven't moved.
Here, right now? I mean, you did. You moved to the left a little.
Oh no, there's
And yeah, there you go. You moved left again.
Okay. So I just had like some really low frame rate.
Now I see it.
Oh, here comes the tornado. It's coming for us.
Yay! Now we're.
Just right up.
Thank each other.
Oh my god.
Oh,
It's
boy.
been nice knowing you.
Yes.
Thank you. Couple feet away from it, but the boat is still very chill.
Gonna get sucked in?
I think the tornado.
Oh boy. Yes.
It doesn't with us. It's not coming through.
I wanted to fly on a boat, but
No, it's checking us out. It's seeing if it's worth killing us or not.
If it misses us, buy a lottery
Won't be
ticket.
getting any of my tacos.
Rigid bodies colliders in the tornado, you will literally get sucked into the tornado. I did this in Chaos Castle Cove. It was pretty funny.
Oh my god.
I guess I could do that.
Yeah, if you walk into the Sharknado, it will grab you. Actually, I don't know if it
Oh,
still
she's
does
up
because
there.
actually it might not. I don't think I've
I think they're getting taken away.
Colliders moving you translating, so it might not do it anymore.
If you have a low frame rate, it's probably because of this guy.
I was having some very like, well, no, my
Very expensive.
so no, my frames just had dropped, but normally I was at 40.
Yeah, it's a shame.
Yeah, I'm at like 40.
I'm back now, I guess. I don't know what was happening there, but I was like, it showed the Steam VR logo kind of thing.
Okay, can we get off the boat yet?
I mean,
I'm there, you know. The boat is still where Shelby.
That is weird. Oh, I'm back. No, Rubik's down here.
Oh, Panda Man, you're okay.
Last I saw him, he was in the water.
We all thought
He's in the water.
you were dead or seasick.
Okay, whatever's going on, that boat was like.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, so I don't know what they are doing with the clouds, but it's spamming a ton.
Yeah, I was seeing some of that too, but it wasn't that bad on mine.
Yeah, apparently my stream was lagging. I think the clouds are causing GPU issues, so I'm just not going to look up.
I'm surprised.
I mean, my
The clouds seem to be overthinking because it's. Why are we setting it both for?
Okay, something is like
Every
error,
second.
error. What is going on here? We should probably move on.
Yeah, I mean, I had to enable, save mode because I had 5 guests, so.
The accusations are right about some guy crashing
there's a giant
people
man.
with a blue model. I've found someone with an edgy name, a blue model that looks like an e-boy that looks like it could probably contain a crasher of some sort.
I can't even access my menu. My frames are so low.
Deal with it.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and respawn.
Assumptions based on a stereotype, but like.
Okay, let's see.
Elijah.
Apologies if we were cutting something short there, but some of us are getting some really bad frames. Seems fine now, but there was like some portion where it was just kind of like causing like
Yeah, I
mayday.
need the
Like,
clouds.
Yeah, the
No,
clouds,
they
but
need
the
to be
only
synced.
solution is like to remove
Sound
them.
of like you get a notification on you.
I don't know if it was the clouds. Like, there's like some trigger that was like spamming.
Solution is
Okay.
maybe it's the particle. I think that like the tornado, it's like a bunch of particles. Maybe that's.
Clouds, that's where it starts to go down.
Did it oversynced?
I believe we are
Yeah,
oversynced.
it's setting to go to false for every player in the room continuously. So it falls for everyone all the time. Yeah, that's what happened.
I'm sorry, I'm not here.
I think is there what's up the hill?
It's just me and Elijah.
Causes GPU issues, so I'm just not gonna look up.
Every second.
Swap this.
Wait, okay, so I'm like super desynced. So you guys are gonna have to like. Fax, can you organize this for right now?
I can see that.
Everyone can gather up around Pan. He'll say something and then we'll drop a portal to his world.
Okay. So, again, it's the same desert world that I used to work on like a long time ago. I got back
Every
to
world's
it.
probably gonna
And
desync.
I honestly haven't added any particularly big features, except instead of the trailer, we're not going to be using the trailer anymore. I made like a bunch of stations where people can spawn hover bikes to sort of ride in the desert. However, there is one problem, and apparently there, if you remember, there used to be the sync issue with the IK system that the ground level is sort of like different for everyone else.
Oh, for crying out loud.
He's dead again.
Oh god.
Oh, as soon as he did that, my frames came back though. I'm pink. I'm synced. Pan sacrifice saved me. Wait, he's back. He's back. He's back, guys. He's back.
Please. I am resuming slowly.
Huh?
I think you guys are desynced, but I can still hear you. Yeah.
Oh my god, here.
Just keep.
Stop the portal.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, just grab the bike and
I was gonna say, what are the odds that would happen twice?
Hey, Rubik, can you see who's master right now?
Yes.
You froze for a really long time.
Master is Addy still.
Okay, so Addy never left. I was just curious to see if that was related to the issue.
I'm watching my monitor.
Hey, what's up, Sid?
I know. This seems to happen a lot more often in
Dying.
Portal.
Usual Sunday.
Copyrighted music. Don't forget.
I can get in there. I'm dying.
Careful about the thunder. This is a big open field after all.
Oh, pan crashed.
Oh my god. You heard the policeman. Get in there.
41 out of 40.
Like
42 votes.
Crash. That's way in.
I cannot get
42
in.
out of 40.
Avatar. Does it have flashbangs? Is that why
No. Yep. He's literally wearing his
42.
and he's pointing at for people to get in the portal.
Okay. Listen, I don't listen to cops, so you look the other way. Okay,
now you've gone and done it. Now you've gone and done it.
By the way, I think Pan crashed.
Yes, I think Pan did crash.
I don't think so because look, it says 41.
Okay, quick frames. I'm not sure what you were saying about extra animations and buttons. I don't think it was that. I don't think people were pressing things. It was just more of what you can't. Why am I facing a wall? I'm standing on the toilet. No, why is the spawn toilet? Or the toilet spawn?
What's wrong, Fiona? You need a helping hand?
Wow, there is a lot of stuff. Just look at the log. It's just like being completely obliterated.
Hang on.
Like 5 frames.
That's why the audio is choppy. It's just like
Shift, middle. What is it? What is it?
Free,
What is all this?
He's just enabling, destroying stuff. Yeah, we should.
Enabling and destroying. What?
People are gonna desync and crash.
I'm still like.
I'm already desyncing.
Oh, I'm getting close. So the
maybe.
I mean, we're spamming so many events right now that.
I mean, I'm just watching the log, and it's like I can't read any of it because it's going so fast.
Yeah, I can't.
The jetpack.
Events right now.
Just the power rocks.
Yes.
Okay.
Part of it.
Genuinely hate myself. I looked at you from an angle. I thought
Hey,
you were
Legend.
cold for a second.
Am I above the ground or below the ground for you?
Maybe get the touch nothing
Above the ground.
sign so people
How
get
come
off
you're on the ground?
I can do that, Rubik. The problem is I am so desynced that I don't know if I can actually press the button.
Yeah, you from an angle when you walked near me because you were above the ground and it made you look tall. I was like, oh, he got tall.
Nothing.
And then I look once again and he's.
Oh, I don't see Pan.
I'm not joining.
Pan crashed on entry.
Oh, I'm breaking the rule.
You're really desynced.
I guess me and Kobo-chan are breaking the touch nothing rule.
Wait, am I back? I'm back. I think I'm back.
Yeah, you're back.
Are you back?
Okay.
If you're looking at, yeah, I suppose.
It's really weird how it's like when I desync, like I'm still like it's dropping the things that are like out of sync, so like I still see it. It's just super choppy.
Yeah. But yeah,
Okay.
that log spam.
I need to restart.
Yeah.
It was bad before this, and it's even worse now. So.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll need to restart because I ran out of keywords.
The next person?
Let me check.
Caban?
On the list next. Yes, Caban is next.
Okay, I'll join.
Wait, are you guys like? Are you still desynced right now?
I mean, if Panman crashed immediately on joining his
No.
world that he had.
He crashed on entering the portal. Like he's stuck at the portal, so he never entered.
Oh, I mean, I know that. Is Fiona back?
Is who back?
I know she yelled, and then she. Yeah, okay.
Wait, who are you saying?
I look crazy in this
Like she,
I
she
think
yelled, "Oh no!" and then she froze. So
I'm hoping people.
I think we should
just move on.
I think we should jump on because we haven't been this long, and log file is already like quite large.
Okay. I don't know if anybody can reach it, but okay. If people can see this. Wait, what the? No, what the? What the?
How did it just get higher?
I was supposed to get it.
I don't know about these guys.
Hold on.
Oh crap.
You wouldn't have been able to
Same
get
thing,
into
or
it.
did I see a portal in midair?
You did, but that was where his floor was.
Yeah.
What the hell?
That also for me, but now the floor dropped. The floor randomly dropped.
Yeah, did you not notice everyone dropping out of nowhere?
Yeah.
There's so much dust.
Oh, sorry.
Why are we standing here?
Why notice everyone dropping out of nowhere?
Okay.
On the bike.
Why are we standing
Did I just crash again?
Why notice everyone dropping out of nowhere?
Okay,
On the bike.
I think this time it actually doesn't crash.
Why?
Nice, this is live. It's not even beta. Wow. What is this going on? Quite the experience we have here. Oh, what? How am I so broken? Okay, so I don't.
Did you crash too, Cyan?
Yes, I did crash. So I just joined on the link because that's where I go. I'm waiting to see
Oh,
what
yeah.
other people are saying. Because I think Thax was saying that they couldn't even drop a portal in whatever world they were in. Restart VRChat after every world. Nice.
Wait, I'm doing that anyway.
I'm just saying that's what we're doing. I'm not sure where we're supposed to be at, or was it? Yeah, we're supposed to be with
Caban's world?
Yes, I'm gonna check real quick to see. He's in his. Okay, I'm gonna join there and go real quick. I don't know if they're actually like linking back here, so be there.
I think we're linking back here.
Wait, did they say that?
Links coming back. Yeah, their links
Oh
coming
yeah,
back.
they're
in
joining
the
back.
Discord.
Never mind then. So I'll just wait.
So something happened in that world, I presume.
So wait, in Pan's world, looking at the logs, there was a ton of things being spawned and destroyed, and that desynced everybody.
That would explain why I hard crashed just there.
Yeah.
You know what I kept hearing over and over again when I crashed? You know how it does a loop so you know that you
Mhm.
actually crashed? All I heard from random people...
Yeah, laughing.
No, for me, it was random peep going, "There's dust and I have no eyelids. There's dust and I have no eyelids. There's dust and
That's all he was saying.
It's horrible.
So it's either a trusted,
No.
trusted user.
That wasn't a user issue. That's the
or-
world. It's like we're having world spam.
Sure.
It was a world.
Like we're looking at the logs as these happen.
Cyan, I have a quick question.
Huh?
Now that I've seen what happened in that world, I'm using your guys, you and Fiona's not bad cars in my world. It's not going to be a problem with 40 people, is it?
So Not Bad Cars was like made to prevent any form of like oversyncing. So there shouldn't be any issues. I have not tested anything with spawning them, but I don't believe you're spawning them.
I think we located the crasher.
I don't think there was. That was not a crasher. That was a world
Yeah,
thing.
it was.
That wasn't a
'cause I
crasher.
got.
That was a world
No, I
crash.
got like a
It was?
crash loop. Yeah.
No. So like the one in this world could have been a crasher. I cannot confirm or deny that.
They're bringing them back here so that we can jump the portal here.
But the other worlds, like the last two specifically, were not crashes because they were actually log spam going on, which has been known to cause crashes.
Okay, 'cause
Not
I
log
got
spam
an
specifically,
audio loop
but-
of someone laughing.
Yes.
Yeah, if you got a full screen effect, if
if you got a full screen attack
Saying what?
and crashed, then yeah.
We get
Then
it.
you
All
had a
right.
crash.
That was it.
So
That's all I heard.
You were making a face, and I had to get it for an emoji.
Great, you managed to get the one
Am I
piece
making
of audio
faces?
clip where I managed to lose
You
my
were.
patience. Excellent.
Not anymore though.
Nice.
People are enjoying just watching this experience.
I just love
Okay, seriously.
Just make all the new instances like invite plus for the content.
I don't think that was a crasher. Like that was log
Happy
spam.
and bitchy Fiona, and then like of course Dempsey's gets it.
That guy that came in was the crasher. He's got like a bunch of all accounts, the conversations going on in the events Discord. He literally just got banned in the other world while he was in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, see, he was running around, I'm banned.
So it's probably
Yeah.
best to keep the like invite plus worlds right now.
I was
Okay.
just going to say that probably Friends Plus is not the best idea right now.
What is the person's name?
It's like Zephoria.
O-R-I.
Guys,
Okay.
guys, so here's the thing. As long as there's no avatar pedestals, we're fine. Just put your safety on. Don't allow non-friends. If you're friend with this guy, well then you're screwed.
No, I don't know this guy.
So
They
what
might
we're gonna
be
do
on the
now-
Discord.
What we're gonna do, yeah, but it doesn't matter. Have your safety on. We don't have an avatar pedestal in here, so no one is gonna get changed. And all we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into invite plus only. And if you don't know a person, you don't accept friend requests
Okay, I'm
or
here.
invites.
Okay, my menu was bugged out again. I had to restart VRChat all over because Cyan was just showing up in the other world, in the old one. Before,
Oh, you have to press expand on your menu.
Really?
You press expand and then wait for it to update.
The blue status, you know,
We got ourselves a crash.
maybe not the best idea. Something.
As a host, it's like what?
No. For host, it's fine because you want.
I get the exception, guys.
For other people.
Okay, so like Cyan being on blue, maybe okay, like I'm on blue, but I also curate my friends list.
Yeah,
Cyan's
that's what I'm
friends
saying.
list,
Yeah.
so maybe he should be.
Hey.
Yeah.
How do you guys want me to make the portal?
How's it going?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you once we get some
We are in a community meetup. This is
Oh,
where.
Well, I'm assuming we're
Settings on you.
Wait, how did you stumble upon this? The community meetup? I don't know. How did you stumble upon it? We keep getting crashed, but hey, we're about to see someone's world. I gotta do the password thing.
Here we go.
Where'd facts go?
It's especially good price in either of us counts coronavirus.
June?
Stop saying that.
Look, it's June.
Times are tough, but it's
You should use a different avatar. This one's red. At least while you're here.
Did that work?
The past 3 months, I've taken a hiatus.
She live?
Did I just watch you struggle?
Let me in, Cyan. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in.
Way to flag? What?
Flex.
I mean, just having legs. Look how much you're flexing.
So before you say anything, come on, I'm just gonna say something. I'm just stepping on.
Will you always be looking at me angry now? That's not fair.
Angry high? What?
Yeah, just look at it.
Wait, are you going in, Vex?
Yeah, I'm going in. Okay. If I can just have everyone's attention. Apparently we had a crasher in the last world. So we're still going to continue. We're still going to go on with what we're doing. However, I just want to inform people that you should enable your safety settings and make sure that you have everyone except people you know on. If you have people on you or on your friend list that are using malicious clients, well, then you are doing yourself harm. Yeah, and you're also part of the problem. I also urge people that are showing worlds, if you have an avatar pedestal, let us know, because that is also part of the issue right now. So if you have an avatar pistol, let us know, because then we need to make a decision on if we're going to join there or not. We are also going to go into invite plus only worlds now, and we're going to stick with that. And you only accept requests from people that you know are going to be behaving and participating in the event. So on that, Kaban is the one that's going to show his world next.
Okay. This world was made with Pro Builder and some stuff that I learned from Cyan, okay? I spent like a few days looking through his catalog of tutorials, you know? And finally got myself... Clip. Yes. So I will drop a portal. Some people might have been in here before, but now it has some more objects in it and textures. I'll drop portal. No one rushed me this time, thank God. I was scared for my life last time. I couldn't even speak straight.
What was that?
Make sure it's invite plus then.
Ah! Okay, invite plus. I got you.
Oh yeah. If you're not friends with anyone here, you can add me, and you can join on me once we jump through.
Did he say don't touch anything?
Oh, I don't think so. If he did, I missed
Well,
it.
it sounded like he said that right before he ran in. It sounded like he said it just before he ran
until
in.
everyone else goes in.
I missed him saying
touch
that.
nothing.
Okay, if that's the case, I need to go in. It's so weird. Where's Kaban? Did Kaban say, okay, should I put the wait or don't touch anything?
I don't like how these walls are floating.
Hey, get back here,
not
Legends,
talking.
get back.
Huh? We can't hear you, come on.
Yes, so I can say Legends.
Yep, now we can.
Now we can hear you.
Got me.
It's also terrifying.
Cyan.
Okay.
That's more terrifying than no.
Okay.
Oh, it's even awkward if I don't have I don't have.
Just drop like the last one.
Oh wait, I don't have robot.
Hey, wait, get back here.
Get back here. Get back here.
Hold on.
There, I'll change it to wait.
Wait. It's dangerous to go alone.
I mean, we're not alone right now, but okay. As I continue to put.
You will be if you go forward.
Did I click it so many times? Okay, there it goes.
Is Senpai naked?
Help. I'm stuck.
Oh my god.
I shouldn't have put it there.
Pretty strong though. I mean, it's holding up your entire body weight.
Okay, everyone here?
Oh.
Do not insert things.
Do I need to turn off the sign now? Are you ready? Come on.
Oh, it's a male avatar, I
You
think.
Okay.
Everything.
Couldn't help it.
Okay, everyone listen.
Listen to the little person.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
The other little
This
person.
world was made with skills that I learned from Cyan and Legend, okay? Now, whatever you do, don't kill each other, okay? Because I learned how to put in a combat system thanks to Cyan. What? There's some... so
Great.
You realize everyone's gonna kill each other now.
Wait to take out orals.
Okay, now, we can come in now.
Okay, go ahead, guys. There's only.
Oh, be careful. You can kill someone with that.
Can you kill someone with these?
I killed myself.
Nice.
Oh no, there's a knife.
Good job.
No, stay back.
I don't respawn. That's the issue.
Be careful with that.
Wait, is this
the
the-
respawn time is pretty long.
Is this the Hunger Games? Kill everybody?
The respawn time on that thing is really long.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I didn't even have
I don't know what just happened, but
Legends, be careful.
I'm lagging
That's how I
so
stabbed myself.
hard.
Pretty bad.
I know.
Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
Okay, there are a lot of Every world is oversynced. Open door, closed door.
Get rid of this.
Facts, I don't know if you can hear me,
so much.
but this world is oversynced.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to have in the events channel a tutorial on oversync right away.
Every single world is oversynced so far.
Oh, fuck! Okay, I'm going home. I'm gonna wait until I see something.
Yeah, going home too. Okay.
Alrighty then.
Crying. Careful.
I feel like it might be the doors.
It is the doors. It is definitely the doors, because that's what the log is spamming.
My frames are crying.
Yeah, I can see the doors opening and closing constantly.
Yeah, the doors are just spamming open and close. So.
Oh no.
Oh, is this a door? Oh, no, it's not. It's just going through the wall. It jumps between 45 and 19.
He's technically standing right on top of us, Nip.
Oh, I'm at 20 right now. What the fuck?
Well, it depends, like certain directions.
Every world has been oversynced. What is this? How did I end up here? Hello?
Hello. I joined you and I walked in here. I didn't see you at all, and then all of a sudden you teleport in here.
How did I end up in this pose? What is this? I'm full body sitting. Yeah. I don't know why, but when I joined in, I went full body like calibrate and then sat on cash immediately.
Oh.
And so now I'm full body calibrated as I'm sitting.
Oh, I'm the master, but.
Oh,
wait,
you
can
just been
like
sitting.
sit on these chairs from forever away?
Oh no, I didn't click the button. It automatically set me.
Well, I missed the portal and then
Yeah,
I
you
realized
did
it
the
was an
crab walk.
invite-only portal, so.
Well, I mean, it was
I
invite
just
plus.
stayed here.
You could have requested off when it was.
Someone said it was invite.
Oh. So we're saying only drop invite plus portals just because of the crasher person, but
Yeah.
I should
You guys
recalibrate.
Create an invite plus world appear and just
We
just join off.
could. I don't know. Like, at this point, we didn't crash in the last one time. So I think this one's fine. Let me recalibrate. This is awkward. That was weird. But yeah, so far every world has had some form of oversync. So Fiona,
Always buffer one.
yes.
What?
Is this similar to like the lighting issue, or the like lighting versus shader issue?
What do
I
you
need
mean?
to educate every world creator to never do oversyncing.
Well, in this case, you have to, right?
Because that's the only
Because, like,
solution.
there isn't a way around it, right? So my issue is like if there's a design solution, if there's a design problem, right? And one of the problems that actually, okay, I'm going to say that this isn't on us. This is on VRChat, honestly. So
Documentation as I continue to.
Well, not documentation and warnings. So, for example, if the SDK could check for oversync, if their networking is such that when it detects a repeated message from many users, it shuts that down. Like so the thing is like, if you have a design problem that requires educating people and making them change their behavior as opposed to just making it natural how their behavior would
So
go,
let me put it this
you would
way.
choose the natural one, even if it is more difficult to design. This kind of one, we can't as world creators, right?
What
Everyone
I was
does
going to
have
say
to
on
in
this,
fact change
though,
behavior.
is that if VRChat does implement a solution, we'll have the same issue as spawn object, where we are now limited for 1 second. So it's like, that is not a solution kind of thing.
No. Okay.
That's the
that
style of solution that is going to happen.
Yes.
So it's like, no, we
So-
cannot get them to do that. Look at all the
No.
robots!
Well-
Get a friend invite from SoulSeek. He's an user.
Oh.
He just invited me.
Oh my head. Oh my god.
The robot gang.
Full body robot over there.
Oh.
But what I'm saying is, like, if it warns you and then provides you with documentation. So, for example, like if you have a trigger that calls another trigger and both of them are broadcast, like it could check for that and then give you a warning, and then have a link to the documentation on oversync in the warning, right? So that would be something that at least people would learn how to do it, as opposed to like them having to like, you know, go to a Discord and someone post with a wiki or tutorial like that. It will never get everybody, right? So like if you have it like in the build process, that's a better design solution.
I mean, this is back to one of those things of
we
like,
don't control that.
Yes, one, we don't control that. Two, I doubt they'll ever put any form of like time into that. And three, it's just like, you know, they hope the community will, you know, get it done for them. So it's like, I know, obviously I have my editor scripts that it's like, can't distribute. But then it's just like, I have to go and write the wiki page on this now and just be like super detailed in it. Because now I got to teach everyone how to be a network engineers.
Yeah, well, and it's not testable because most of the time people will test with one or maybe two, maybe up to 5 friends. At 5 people, oversync doesn't cause a problem. It causes a problem with 70.
I mean, honestly, it'll cause a problem at, you know, it will cause other problems, but it's just like.
No, so 2 people, like it's a problem, but you don't notice it very much. At 10 people, you probably notice a lag when it happens, but you don't know why. At 20 people, yeah, you may be crashing the instance. At 70 people, like, we're dead.
Hello.
But you can't test with 70 people, right? Because we don't have, like, unless you come to the meetup. There's no way.
And this is all due to oversyncing, right? Like,
I mean, this specific case, yes.
I like big.
Every player telling every other player to do something, and then it just continues in loops.
But it
I got a lot of work
No, the thing is, like I have been working with
tutorial's
Cyan
probably
for
better on
like
that.
nearly 2 years now, and I still accidentally oversync things all the time because it's very easy to. If you have something happening via animation, it's almost guaranteed.
What time is it?
even if it's like always.
It's 2:30.
Even if it's.
So Cyan.
Well, that's why I don't know. Loco's best.
So I'm pretty sure my door
you just have to
tutorial
make sure-
has oversync in it.
I really. So I don't. How did I followed it to the T? So I don't know how.
Well, no, that's the problem. Like that, the door tutorials are like some of the earliest stuff I did, so I may not have understood the problem back then to think about, hey, I need to consider this when making the tutorial. So honestly, it's like I need to redo all my tutorials and be like, hey, syncing needs to be done in all of this in this tutorial.
Same thing for the spin the bottle prefab. I made that I think over 2 years ago. It's very likely oversynced.
All the knowledge that I picked up from.
So blame Cyan and Fiona. I see.
So don't watch out the tutorial video.
Okay.
No. Blame 2 years ago, Cyan and Fiona. We were dumbasses back then.
So how would I
In that case, forewarning. If you guys
Ping me on Discord.
time in my Motorstorm world.
It's probably like ping me on Discord. It's probably easier to like go with it like in Unity kind of
We
thing.
updated only a year ago, so maybe that one's okay.
I
Wait,
did
which
the
one?
I did the teleport one,
Very confident.
the
Actually,
combat
6 months
system
ago,
one,
6 months ago.
and the door
So
one.
it's specifically
That's the ones I learned.
looking at the logs. I only saw it coming from the doors.
The doors that was passing the issue.
Yes. So if there's like any broadcast on that, it could have been it, but I actually don't remember what's in that tutorial. So is Fax even back?
Oh, there he is.
No, you said join on him or meet Hamsky.
Nobody knows that.
Okay. Yeah, join Faxnor friends that are in the World Group Therapy. Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Because of how much we desynced and crashed, people started going to VRChat therapy.
You know, I could use some right now. I need some coping skills, you guys.
I mean, yeah, it's been pretty rough.
I'm gonna wait for Cyan to tell us what to do. Lead us.
Join. So Community Meetup Discord is saying join on Faxnor or friends that are in the group therapy world. There's no link. So I guess I will join Fax. Yeah, it is Meet Hanky's world.
And I would join on yours, and whoever's.
Okay.
Are we seriously gonna join off for the therapy thing?
Okay. Yeah. Well, it's Meet Hanky's world. See you guys there. Okay, sorry about that.
Yeah, they said facts said make it friends.
Oh, facts said make it friends post. Okay. Well, welcome to group therapy.
Alright guys, I have a serious subject that I need to talk about here.
Desync.
I apologize for this, but I may be at fault for all the issues that we've been seeing here. My tutorials are from the dumb me from 2 years ago that might have had desync in them, so I'm teaching everybody bad habits.
It's okay, Cyan. We all been there.
Thank you.
Nobody else.
No judgment here.
We still love you, Cyan.
Thank you.
First step is understanding that you have a problem.
Wait, I see you over there.
You're sitting in Meetup.
Wait, Meetup sitting over in that chair.
No, Hansky, you're sitting on Hansky.
So wait, Meetup, I'm going to assume you are here now based off what you were saying, but for me, you are like sitting on Jessefish.
Hey.
You see me?
Yeah, you're sitting over there.
Hi.
No, Hansky's standing in the center of the room now.
What? Oh, he's stuck in the chair still for me. Enter your chair and leave. Okay, Hansky, can you please enter this chair and leave it?
Oh my gosh. Unanimous?
There you go. You're free for me. Is he broken for anybody else?
No, I see him fine.
That was group therapy.
Okay.
Get out of my chair right now because I got up and you sat down. So
You snooze, you lose.
This is an event.
I'm gonna choke him.
Yes, let
Except for just like rewritten. I
Is
don't
that
actually
part of
don't know
therapy?
what like the
Part of therapy.
steps are.
I admit I
Let out
choked him.
aggression from times. That's what we're all here for, Meetup.
Well, this is all that's here.
I've never like gone to group therapy or had. I've never seen these before.
Dude, alright everyone, so what happened and why?
I think we can all
Hi everyone, my name is Nova. I'm a thickaholic.
I would say take a seat, but seats are expensive, and we can't risk losing them.
I dragged these from outside in a dumpster, so...
Why would you say that?
They're
still expensive.
your seat is
I could
So
put
wait-
more. Do you think I should put more on that?
I'm just gonna say, Hansky, thank you for having the only world that doesn't have oversync.
Oh yeah.
Oh hell yeah! Well, I didn't even put a mirror in here.
Nice.
We spoke in these rooms for like 4 hours, and no one said anything about a mirror. I think I did something good, you know?
Amazing, because you look at the people.
Yeah.
Okay, I can stand up now. No longer on a chair.
It's like no, they never showed up. It's like this is the one. I was like, hey, wanna join?
Excuse me. Are you security?
So wait, is there anything you want to actually talk about with this world? Or are we just, having our therapy session here?
You can have a therapy session. This is all it is.
To the people in the VR, not the world itself.
Listen, we got 11 steps of Anime Anonymous up there.
What is this?
So basically, we admitted that we were powerless over anime. Because I was an anime character for 4 to 5 weeks, and I felt like, I felt deep shame. So I made this whole system so I could learn from my problems, and people in my real life could finally accept me again.
They accepted you before?
Not really, but now they
They said they would eventually start.
will. Also, there's no jumping here. We don't need to jump to conclusions while we're talking.
Well, you know what? Jump!
I hate that there's no jumping.
Damn it, you can't cheat the system.
We realized that Hansky pressing something because he literally did this amazing artwork.
I mean, Hansky has shown a lot of amazing artwork before.
Heavy reference. Mostly Midori.
Teespring.com/Hamkeys.
Where is
100 meet Hansky.
The butts? I've drawn butts everywhere. You just have to look really hard.
I don't trust you.
Alright,
Wait, where'd he go?
you guys... There are butts over here, but if you're gonna look at them...
You actually used it.
Oh my god, he tricked us.
I mean, those are
It's not a trick, they're butts. Oh my god.
I think he is wrong.
There's a butt here too. I didn't draw it though.
I don't think we should accept those butts.
What are the conditions of accepting them?
We
I don't know,
totally were
not
pointing at
this.
your bike.
No.
Wait, Hamsky?
Yeah.
Oh, here it is.
Where you at? There you are. Hey, Hamsky, does this man have a front butt?
That's a front butt, yes.
That's what I thought.
Nice.
Either no. I think his head's on backwards because no, because those are nipples. Never mind, that is a front butt.
Yeah, those are
Yeah, those are dimples. Those are nipples and yeah. So he's got a front butt.
I love the artwork though. The clown artwork is just amazing. Like you've taken it one step further.
I can't take credit because I use the model as like heavy reference. I feel like it's more of a story.
Whatever.
I didn't trace it, but I did.
Issue before.
I'm surprised there is no mirror over there. It looks
He said
like
that
a
there's no mirror in
area,
this world.
Yeah, but it's like it's a perfect mirror area, just like empty and a flat wall.
No, but you have to. That needs to be part of the 12 steps, which is accept that mirrors are enabling behaviors.
Tell Hansky that, or if that's not already on there.
Disabling happier frames.
So, Mihamsky, I noticed that even though you have a mirror area here, you don't have a mirror, which is good because in terms of like your anime avatars, mirrors are enabling behaviors.
That's true. And I realized I didn't have a mirror, and we spoke here for 4 hours, and no one said anything about a mirror. So, like,
Can you translate Jordo for me? Because I can't.
Also, is there no post-processing, or are you just
Fiona,
doing enable
Processing.
Hell yeah.
That's Jordo for you.
just for it on that?
What did he say?
What do you mean? It's like
Fiona's not here.
That's the issue.
I agree.
Oh, and this is compatible.
It is an extra draw.
Yes, I'm very mocking you.
This world is like, I mean, come on.
That's me. Sure, no.
Hi, I'm French. Hi, Sarah. How you doing?
It's about all the dynamic everything.
Yeah, but like it's a post-processing effect. It doesn't care how much you have. Like it's just a flat video on top.
See, we need to do
You'll see when we get
need to release a world with an avatar that everyone wants to be in, so that we can all be dynamically batched.
No. It's Koala, then Puma, and then...
Okay.
No!
More
Corona. My avatar.
I know. Remember?
I hope that's
Oh,
nice
it's quiet.
coffee.
Did everyone just? That's not true.
Yeah. No,
It's just
no,
quiet.
it's fine.
No, people are frozen.
No. Yeah, there's several people.
That one guy that was crashing got banned, but according to Sasha, I took a look.
Yeah, like
this
one
guy has
Hansky,
like
Fiona,
a billion
just
different
all froze
arms.
Good night.
I started crashing, but I'm back.
Milky?
Milky's also frozen.
There's a bunch of people frozen here.
Oh,
I don't know.
I bet you it's the
I don't know why I wouldn't have gotten it though. Because I got all the other
I just
ones.
heard a sound and people are crashing.
Okay, yeah, I want to say, hold on, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, just look at the people in this room.
There we go.
Are you still with us, Sonic?
Gimme.
You look like you're still with us.
It's like a movie still.
I mean, it could have been a person again. But there's like, yeah, there shouldn't be anything in this world.
Yeah, but I don't really see anyone out of the norm right now.
There's a lot of people here that are somewhat new.
Like,
The logs are
let's
also
see.
pretty normal. So it's like
Is there
a
anybody
crash
on the
probably.
list you don't see?
Hmm.
Because they can just join and block everybody. That's usually what people do.
I blocked everything from now for him.
So like they just join, they block everyone, and then they start crushing the instance.
Yeah, but I have pretty much only friends, like really.
It doesn't matter though.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I also only.
Oh, actually, well, then again, I have just friends, and I'm not affected, so.
Hey, Sam, someone tried to send something earlier. Should I, maybe put that on the Discord?
I mean, if you know who the
As a
person is,
suspect
like,
or
are they
something?
here?
I don't, and they're not here.
Okay.
Wait, did we get crashed again, or was
Some people might have. I did not. So I think in that case, it's just kind of like
But not everyone.
use your judgment and like how do you accept friends normally.
Something's going on today. We're not sure, so.
I didn't add them. Oh, heck no.
So it's just kind of one of those.
There's usually more people than this.
I heard it.
Like if you've never heard of the person
like,
before,
sound
it's like
effect in the world, and then
I don't know.
people
Like
just disappear.
most people typically just reject it if they
Okay,
don't know
well-
why they're being sent a friend
Cyan.
request.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
don't
yes,
have
it is a
ever shown to
crasher,
anybody
and
below
yes, he has
trusted,
10
so
other
that seems to
accounts,
help.
so like fighting him is like a losing
I
battle.
had avatar shown, but
Okay.
Like
else was off.
literally, take a look in the
It's
chat.
just
He has
like-
10 other
Yeah.
accounts under
I
the
just
same
know
name.
avatars for like blue and white.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
same
that,
model.
that's
Now-
the issue. Like,
So it's like
blue,
I'm
yeah.
not
He
up to date on the
has-
count. Or
He hasn't.
oh wait, what happened?
Because
He
blues
came
and
prepared
whites
to
can
ruin
clone the
fun,
avatar
don't
or
know why.
upload the crasher avatar. So, yeah,
Survive?
so that's why I
Hold
disabled
on.
the
Yeah, I
avatar.
was
Did Fax say
fine.
something?
So
Yeah, and now everybody's
I
just
disabled
robots.
blue.
So
I
it's
just
gonna
like
Angus.
the only
I
thing
only
that
have
like for
trusted
blue and
as
white that
not
I can
robots,
have
just
an
avatar
is
for
voice.
trusted. I only have trusted for now.
Friends aren't. Everyone else is. Anyone
Okay,
that's not
everybody,
is now a robot.
go to the.
Well,
Oh, we have a
yeah,
new
but
link.
Trusted and known as not.
We have a new link. Please go to that.
Okay, see you later.
Who's there?
I'm just assuming that Fax is there.
Do we restart though?
Alright.
You might need to. It might. Yeah, this might be like a requested link.
I said some things, okay? But it's a very small room. It's hard to talk in here.
Short problems.
I have no
So are
idea
we?
what happened
Are we
because
sure it is a
I was
crasher?
synced.
Yeah, this is
I
invite
was
plus.
synced, so I left.
Yeah,
and
I am
the coffee
100%
going.
sure it's a crasher.
I think
Because
we're
I
just
had,
So there.
I
Half
had
of the
my
crashes have been over sync, and half of them have been
my user
crashes,
tracking
so we're
there,
just trying to
and
fix it.
I tracked everyone that was joining in, and the moment this one specific person joined in, it crashed. Like the moment I heard his name, it just went dead.
I disabled
What was his
everything
name?
except only known and friends of everything, trust and known only avatar and identity.
Well, here's the issue with how VRChat loads the avatar. Is that it loads avatars first because it needs to figure out if you have to block them or not, or performance block them or not. So you just load the entire avatar, unload it, and that's when you crash.
On unload.
Well, some people didn't crash, so.
So I didn't crash that
Sound
time.
effect in the world.
It was definitely a crasher because when I crashed, I heard laughing in the background.
Yeah, I heard laughing as well,
Yeah,
but
no,
I didn't
I
crash.
know it's a crasher. I know who it is as well.
What's the name?
Yeah, we know who it is. It's definitely him.
It's a trash account, a throwaway account.
Yeah, it's definitely him because I checked in with my other friends who ran in with a similar account. It was him.
So,
Or
but
one
Rubik
of
knows,
his throwaway
and
accounts.
Rubik's on it.
I'm gonna go ahead and turn off blue then. I don't think it's
we're
on
all-
my friends list, but just in
Yeah,
case.
we're all sticking
Good thing
in
I turned
invites.
maximum because I would have crashed too.
Like I have everyone unlimited except friends. Like, shit. That doesn't
Yeah,
even
but
help at all.
the world was friends plus.
Yeah, I don't know who.
Oh.
That's Meetamski's fault. We're all
one
gonna
weird
slap
trust
Meetamski
feature.
when he comes in.
No, actually, Fax said
don't have
Meetamski to drop a
hacks,
fence plus.
Cyan, how many worlds do we have left?
Yeah,
I
told
want to
them
say
drop a friends
2
plus
plus
so
open
people
beta
could get
test.
in there because there's nothing in there.
Let me
but
check again.
but-
Actually, 3.
Actually, we could do open beta because how is he gonna join us?
Yeah, but I was hoping we could jump there before he got there.
Just crashed us
But
again.
like then again,
That
that's
is
the open
true.
beta.
Yeah. I'd rather
Oh,
we
you're already
talk to the other branch.
I mean, but we only have 2 routes
Possibly
left.
get a branch
We have 3.
of live that's private.
That wouldn't be live then. Also, Rubik's not even here.
Yeah, but it's better
I
than
know
what we're
that, but like it's
experiencing
not the
now.
beta
I
with
mean,
a
yeah.
testing
if
new
they
things
know,
identical to
like,
live,
they
so
can
why
meet
not?
up, they can
It's
just
like
go
well,
and meet
actually,
up on the
that's
branch.
meet up
Some have
stuff.
community meetup branches. Sometimes it's on
No,
like
not
the
unless you
stable
push-
version.
not unless you push
then
it to
sometimes
prefabs.
in beta.
Well,
But
community
then
meetup is not
how
only for
crashes?
prefabs.
Or else.
We're gonna have
Yeah,
to go
Udon
down that
doesn't
route
work
if
in
this
beta
keeps
yet
up.
either.
Yeah, I seen message in the Merlin server. That's everything that was broken is still broken.
So,
So wait, Udon is still broken?
Yeah, from the last thing, which is sad. I so wanted to play with stuff, but
It's alright.
only.
alright.
Then
It's
if
sad.
if it's a
I
prefab,
just wonder what they've done because it's like there's one patch and it's just everything.
Yeah, well, I know some things still work because WoW still tests stuff. So I didn't update one of my projects, just so I can at least test some logic in the editor. That's basically what I'm doing for the past couple weeks.
Actually, it would be better like to try to
it's really
stay
annoying.
on beta probably, because there are not really crash clients for beta. Crashes in beta.
Are we in private?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Tony is requesting the invite.
But have like a duplicate version of the live ranch. So it's like the beta, where you need to be in that specific branch to get in, but it's identical to live, so only people
it's not a,
from
it's like live with a different thing.
I mean, at the same time, like, why would we get special privileges on that? We were just one event.
Yeah, but I would say like,
Random people, can you come here?
They can shoot lasers.
Oh,
I would say it's definitely like better to try to do it on beta a bit more. If the betas are stable, it's like
They're not.
No, the betas
sometimes betas
last
are
time have
stable.
not been.
Yeah, but the latest beta last time was really bad.
Stable.
They
like
were.
2 weeks ago.
I crashed 5 times.
It's like
I couldn't hear half the instance.
It's like we also crashed a lot on this. So it's like,
well, this one is a person.
We crashed a lot at least because this is a person exactly. It's not the like thing.
Did the person? Did we find out? Did we get the person?
Fax knows the person.
Yeah, we got them. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the issue that on the beta, first of all, the current beta is very crashy, way worse than it was before. People
They just
lose
updated it, so we don't actually know.
even
Do we?
more often. Oh, right. Okay, you're right. So we don't know, but like at this point,
In theory, it's
I know.
still supposedly
Yeah.
unstable.
The only other thing that might be helpful is to not have streams on of the event, but then we don't have streams for the event later.
I mean, people.
Like, I guess you can debug the event and post it after the event, but
like
yeah.
community events. And
Yeah, but then they can't watch the stream to see all the amusing reactions.
It's like you
I
could
mean,
record
just
the
to
entire
make it
event
so
and
it's not
post it
fun for them.
afterwards.
I
I
don't
was
know.
gonna say, like, we
After
could
the
go back
event
and watch the streams and see exactly.
You never know
what
the
happened.
motivation.
So was there somebody named Froze NN in here?
Thought I saw him.
I've seen them before.
Okay.
That name sounds familiar.
Yes, I know
Yeah.
who they are, kind of.
Okay.
But I'm not sure how secure they are.
Jordo, mechanical keyboard boy.
Alright, you're vouching for them.
I'm with Jeff.
Maybe it is Cyan.
What?
Nobody would
beat up the
suspect
baby.
Cyan.
Hey, we're not supposed to go over this plan. We talked about this.
Maybe we talked about this before. You were waiting for enough people and then you would crash us.
Oh yeah, that would make sense because we all have science shows.
Must be the science. That died, well, I knew something about it.
Hey, Stein, I have a simple suggestion.
Hmm?
If you get some free time, you should try playing with the Unity's default AI. It's kind of interesting.
Wait, I have played with it.
Oh, you have? Oh, sorry then. Sorry for making an invalid suggestion.
It's not invalid. It's just one of those things that's really hard to teach. Wait, sit down.
Sit down.
Where is Fax?
Look, fine.
Wait, there's a sit down shader?
I'm a good person. Look, I'm sitting down.
I feel like a dog.
On what?
Really.
Are you floating on your tail?
I'm flying.
I can't sit down on nothing.
Yeah, you can, Cyan.
Yeah, you can sit on the floor, Cyan. On the floor. Yeah.
Broken tracking.
I can tell.
Are we squatting now?
Fine, I'm sitting. There we go.
That's some
Happy?
leg strength right there. Like that's core strength and leg strength. Look at that.
You want to see something even more impressive? Yeah.
Can go and call.
If you ever do, let me know.
Are you speaking, by the way?
Unmute your mic. Carla, unmute your mic.
I did.
There you go.
Very good.
Okay. Hello to everyone. It's nice seeing you in this week's community meetup. Although there are quite a few hiccups tonight, I really hope this instance that we're about to go to doesn't get interrupted or ruined because the experience is so much worth it. You all probably recall the Motorstorm world that I've been working on previously, which was Motorstorm Apocalypse Skyline. And I was waiting for the time to actually put the vehicles together for you guys to actually drive them. And tonight, you guys are actually going to get to drive the vehicles of Motorstorm. So the next world that we're going to go to is Motorstorm Apocalypse Vehicle Test World. And the point of this world is for you guys to purposely collide with other vehicles, crash into your friends while you're racing each other, go nuts basically. There's even a crash test zone in one portion of the world. So there's also like pillars set up there, so you guys can purposely test like the vehicle collision and how they react to bumps and grinds and whatnot. And whilst you're there, there is also 3 AI vehicles going around the world, each one in a different class. And each vehicle will respond differently according to which vehicle collides with what. So basically, if you're in a buggy, you can crash into another buggy. Just don't crash into the monster truck. That's just bad news. And vice versa, if you're driving a truck, you can pretty much make a muscle car or buggy just fly off. Another thing is Motorstorm has something called an emergency checkpoint. And that's when in the world of Motorstorm, the apocalypse, when the city becomes far too unstable due to natural disasters, the checkpoint can't stay in one place because it will just collapse and fall over. So a Chinook will pick up that checkpoint and fly it around the racetrack. Motorstorm racers have to go through that checkpoint while it's flying for you to make it count. So keep an eye on that. You can't miss it. I guess that's about it, really. So once you're in the world, have fun, drive around, and you have any feedback or suggestions, as always, you can come back to me and tell me about them, and I'll take them into consideration. And I hope you guys all have fun once you're there. I shall go ahead and drop a portal now.
Okay, so what you're saying is you just need
Hi.
So I was looking at the doors, right, that were sending out events. It had player local, and then local, player, and then I noticed a third option that was turned on called default layers. And I turned that off.
What is the buffer type? The broadcast type for it?
Always unbuffered.
Change that to local.
Good kitty.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
So yeah, if you have...
No. Wait.
Let me...
Oh no, Cyan fell down. Are you okay, Cyan?
Oh
Did you
no,
trip?
I fell down. I can't get up.
It's okay. I'm here. I'm here, Cyan.
Thank you. Wait, that one is good. Oh wait, do I stand up when I do that?
No, you did. But you kind of stand up when you do it.
Why are we supposed to wait? Why am I not listening?
Wait. Colin needs stuff.
She told
Oh, oops.
let her load in first.
Start going.
We already did the toes thing. My name was Toes. I changed it back.
I'll just go ahead and put it in.
Okay, sorry, and I get these options. Look, when I look at the always unbuffered, it says.
Can we go in?
This is our enter trigger, by the way. Are you talking about the layer thing?
No. So at the very top of the trigger, there's a checkbox that says advanced mode. Click that.
Yes. Okay. Click.
Now on the broadcast, make sure it says local.
I see it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's run through the portal.
It's a butterfly.
Yeah.
It's zombie. Oh no.
I'll get there eventually.
Go, Cyan. Go, Cyan. Go.
Why was I sitting?
Using that often.
This is so fast.
All right.
Is that what you're doing, Morales?
We need to wait because we need to wait for everyone. Let's just wait for everyone first.
Okay, let's see. If I can move my chair forward.
This is cool.
Okay, I think that's probably everyone. I think that's everyone.
Do they have
There was
passenger
actually,
seats?
yeah, there wasn't very many people in the world.
Each vehicle has a passenger seat. Each one has a
Okay,
passenger seat.
Cyan, you're driving. I'll watch on desktop.
Okay, which vehicle am I taking?
Worlds always remind me like of playing racing games on like Nintendo 64.
Reset the vehicle, please, and send it back.
One of the two.
Okay.
Do you prefer
You can change the.
Let's go. There is only one seat, I think.
Nope.
Or not.
I'm just gonna, glide on top because there's not enough vehicles here. I should turn off nameplates if I could. Sorry, Fiona, there's not
I have
enough
no
plates.
idea where do we go, but I guess we'll go somewhere. Okay, I see the thing, the ramp. Let's go. My body's flying in front. Oh, nice. Wow, okay.
Focus on getting rid of the AI vehicles that are going around the world. Okay, so now that you've got that out of the way, everyone please take your cars,
Wait.
start your engines, and go nuts.
I missed it.
Have fun.
What was the part that was out of the way?
Just drive.
I missed the beginning there because I just came back and it's like, now it's out of the way. What was out of the way?
Passenger for a while.
I think there's only two.
No.
Oh.
You know what? I don't think we're gonna get a car. I'll just hang out.
I was worried about the number of cars I could put in the world because I was worried about performance and whatnot.
Yes. No. It's
So there is a performance issue, but I believe that is more of an issue with relating to one, how many you own. So it's just kind of like how many can you drive at once? There's not many, so one. And then the other one is because these are non-kinematic rigid bodies and object synced, that's the real issue, which I mean it's kind of fine like with 50 or so.
I'm surprised with the I'm surprised with everyone running around with the vehicles and such. And I see some people are having trouble starting up the truck.
For the combat system, for the dagger, do I change anything too? For the little thing came in?
What is that one set to?
Let me check.
Which one?
He's asking about his world.
Oh god, look at them go.
I didn't see any issues with that, but I also didn't look into it.
Roll the red. You were a strange man.
I was set to local advance, so that's probably why.
And it's set to local, but it's just like, can you kill yourself? Like, if it's local, then it should be fine.
Yes.
Just says
You
don't.
can kill yourself with the knife.
There's a great ramp that says don't.
So that one's probably not going to over buffer, but
I won.
Don't worry, I'll fix it.
Okay.
Alright, Cyan, let's go drive the buggy.
I've heard that one.
I think
Okay.
it depends on the syncing and the collision.
Oh, that's from. Can I get?
Is this one drivable? It doesn't seem like a drivable vehicle.
Oh, it's not. Drivable.
Only the ones that have the little sign next to it are drivable. So the
Yeah.
motorcycles here. Wait, are these even? No, they're not.
No, they're all occupied. They're all occupied. That's fine. I don't really need to do this right now.
Someone stole it.
I'm sure at some point somebody will abandon their vehicle. They are numbered, by the way.
Yes.
So 1 is the muscle car, 2 is buggies, and 3 is the big rig.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So if they get out, then you can reset them.
Then
but
you
if
can actually reset the vehicle.
So just looking
Yeah,
at this,
they're being
you can
driven.
definitely have way more vehicles.
They're doing fine. I mean, I'm here at 45 frames with all that going on.
Like that's not very much.
People flying all over the place.
Can I request?
They look like they're having fun.
Yeah.
Well, can
This
I
is-
request a?
Yeah, I just saw the
Can I
message.
request a forklift to be added?
In the editor, so I don't know.
Oh my god, that did not exist in
Hi,
the
Slade.
Waterstorm world. It existed as a prop, but not as a drivable
How you
vehicle.
doing?
Okay, put it in
Doing good.
each one. I don't care. I need a forklift.
So I don't know what the reason people were crashing for. I think they just want to do it because they find that as like a fun event to do.
What's going on around here? What's happening in this place?
So basically, the gist of it is, Moonstorm Apocalypse is about. It's like this kind of group
I can be like
that go
that.
to different parts of the world, and if it looks dangerous enough, they'll race it.
Can you do the accent?
So they first started off in
No.
the
What is the accent?
in the desert canyon.
Look at the
In
accent.
the desert canyons, they moved to an island that had an active volcano.
I can't do those two's accent. I've known him for a long time, and I still can't imitate his accent.
Disasters, and it was
That's
getting
fine.
Earthquakes and
I don't think I could do it
tsunamis
either.
and all that kind of stuff. You
This is so
currently
funny
floating in
watching
the
these
third
cars
part.
just like flip around. They do tend to land on their fronts though. That's good.
The rush, the feel of adrenaline just, makes you want to go nuts.
Can you do the CyanLaser voice?
Also, by the way,
What is the CyanLaser voice? Which one?
the Chinook that's carrying
That's what
the
I'm asking.
checkpoint. That
How do
took
you
me
interpret
2
it?
days to animate. I'm not kidding.
You have to like talk like a
It
hero.
took me a straight to not the plane.
Like a
The
hero.
Chinook, the one with the double.
Which one is my hero voice?
The one with the double blades.
Oh, over
The
there.
one where you
yes.
rescue like
the
Yona
one
from the
that's carrying
planning
the
world.
moving
So, I mean,
checkpoint.
you have to animate the
From the
blades.
like the princess house.
Blades, the swinging of the
Animation
checkpoints
layers?
because of the gravity.
Or is
You
it
can,
all
like
in
if you
one
look at the
episode?
Because she
checkpoint,
got kidnapped by a rainbow
if you look at the
sheep.
checkpoint, it's not
Kidnapped
still.
by a rainbow
It's
sheep?
actually swinging according to its altitude.
I don't know.
and,
Can you see right
yaw
now?
of how
There you
it's
go.
tilting. So that's also animated.
Tallest guy, like the guy with the backpack on the subway.
That's, hey, be easy with the cars, you.
This place is dangerous. I'm getting on top of this.
Hello.
All right, Cyan, let's go. Oh no,
Surprised the
Jordan's
missile
gonna
strike
drive.
is-
Never mind.
What is going on over there?
Actually,
Wait, is that a tank?
No, it's the giant
Or
truck.
is it just animated?
Oh, that one is just animated. The tank right there.
It's like,
no, that's
yeah,
just
like-
animated. In fact,
Is that a plane?
the thing
Is it a
about-
tank?
the thing
No,
about
it's
those tanks that you see
CyanLaser.
around the world,
CyanLaser.
because you got into the city with a bunch of lunatics unauthorized.
Pretty good.
I don't know what that accent
The
is.
government sent out the private military to try and kick you guys out.
No, but
and because you didn't listen,
it's a good
they went
hero
with
tone of voice.
firepower.
oh my god.
I don't know if I
And
can
they
repeat
actually
that.
Legitimately, while you're racing, they actually
I'm just
fire at you.
imagining you doing your tutorial in the superhero voice.
Is that the voice I need to practice now instead of close to mic?
I'm surprised a lot of people haven't heard of this game. This is like one of
In
my
this
favorite
tutorial.
Mortal Storm.
Oh, Tony. How's,
Trying to figure out what
Oh,
I
hello.
have to adopt other pieces of it.
Ah, well, if this is the secret pony.
What was that?
Fiona,
Hi?
the buggy's available.
But Hi's just floating up there.
This is the driver's seat, and then the back is the passenger seat.
So it is possible to get multiple people in these chairs. Oh, I guess the way you have it, it probably isn't. But
And you know what?
Oh, wait, okay.
I can't say it. Doesn't make sense if I say I heard cake about you.
you hear cake about you.
So you can either join the rest of the people crashing into each other, or you could circle around the track with the AI, so you get the feel of what MotorStorm is like. When
So is the track just immediately on the outside here, like that AI thingy?
you could pretty much you just follow the AIs that are going around the track. That's literally, or you could follow the Chinook that's carrying the checkpoint.
Okay, I'm just gonna start going.
It could make me a
If I can turn around over here.
Oi, 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 this is jittery. Woo!
It's also jitter for me too.
Woo! Boy.
Crash. How did I go through you? What is this?
You did it. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god, we're like a pair of dogs.
Okay, there we go.
All right.
Oh, I just got an invite request and I don't know who it's from. Lucky bingo. This is so disappointing without the music. Oh, there's the track.
I have a little bit of music. The music's pretty epic, but I have it on low.
That was some drift.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit!
What does the horn sound like?
Beep beep.
Beep.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. I have my eyes squinted right now. I'm like peering out of one eye.
Well, then
I
let's
can't even
turn
put my
up some
hands
sound.
up. Because I'm spaced too far away. Here, let me see. If I get back to my body, can
It's
I...
like
can I
so
put my hands
difficult
up?
to turn this thing. There we go.
Oh no, this is a bad idea. Oh shit, we hit them.
Oh wait, they weren't even there for me. Yeah, flips.
Woo! Oh my god. All right, there's the copter right above us. Oh, there
Oh,
it
I
goes.
don't. That's not synced.
Okay. Oh my lord.